What is up? This is going to be a trade recap for 12th of March 2026. Okay, let's get into the trade recap, all right? So I'm really happy happy and sad at the same time. The reason for that is because my ear is itching. That's one thing. Second thing is that I blew my top. I mean, what is that? Um, Apex account. So that's okay. Apex, I don't really mind. So, anyways, let's break it down, right? So, from the start of this market open, we are bearish, and I could have at least taken this trade, this inversion trade, if the price would have done this once market open. We are sweeping that high and then coming back down. That would have had more narrative actually. But as you can see, market open, it swept out London low and leaving out Asian low right there. But I really wanted to see a sweep about these internal highs. As you can see, that is a high that swept out an equal highs. And then from London session, we are pushing down. As you can see, we are pushing down. So I was obviously bearish. My whole thing was bearish. If price would have immediately done this, boom, and I would have tried to go for a buy entry. That's what I did over here. Clearly got manipulated. Anyways, that's not an issue. That's not an issue, right? I got really lucky today. I was targeting London high right there. I really got lucky. Honestly speaking, I really got lucky. I was targeting this. My stop loss was this. I was literally targeting this. I had 10 contacts on this trade, probably 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes on this trade. So what was I looking at? As I was saying, once the price would have swept, if the price would have swept that high, I would have been bearish. I would have even entered on a position right here, after kept my stop loss there, and then target the initial drawn liquidity that I had. So, anyways, really didn't happen. So I was waiting for another break of structure right here. As you can see, we are holding this fair value gap now, and then I got this inversion. As soon as this candle closes, entered on the next candle, and then was actually uh break even after this break of structure right there. And then I wanted to take 5 contracts off right here. Um, I don't know. I just wanted to take 5 contracts. Accidentally, I closed all the position, and I made $1,000 on this trade. If I was having 5 to 6 accounts, it would have been $5,000. But just a single account, and here it is, $1,000 on this trade. And then I closed that account, I locked it up, and then I logged into Apex account. As you can see, we didn't actually sweep any liquidity, right? So that was stupid, so stupid. But this is really obvious, right? That was so stupid for me to go buy without a liquidity sweep, right? That's an obvious low that's the price gonna come back up and take it, right? So I didn't actually I fucked it up. I could have just even sell right around here after this inversion, probably. I don't know why I was kept on buying. Uh, but yeah, here it is. So I lost $1,000 on this trade, and then after market open, I lost another $1,000, and the account is gone. Anyways, I'm not worried about it. That's Apex. Apex, I can get it anytime. I'm not supposed to be trading Apex. I should not be trying to actually max out Apex right now. I should focus on the other prop firms like Lucid, My Fund of Futures. Probably I'm not going for Apex, bro. I mean, I'm never going for alpha futures again. I'm never ever going for alpha futures again. If I max out 5 accounts on the straight, 5 accounts on Lucid, then I'm gonna scale it up and then go for Apex 20 accounts. That's it. I'm gonna manage those accounts for sure. Like I'm never going back to Apex. I mean, never ever ever going back to Alpha Capital, Alpha Futures, and Top Step. Nah, I'm not going to Top Step too. So I should I should be focusing on one thing at a time. And for now, Lucid seems really really legit and solid. So I'm gonna go with Lucid. So, anyways, I luckily closed all the positions right here, exactly to the point. From that moment, reversed, hit my take, I mean, hit my top stop loss. But anyways, that was a good risk to reward ratio, 1:1.6, which is amazing. Um, again, what are we looking at here? Right here, I had a huge displacement. Right here, I got a market structure. I mean, not a market structure, but still, we are closing about three fair value gaps, and then creating multiple fair value gaps. I was really, really confident on this trade. I had my stop loss right there and then got stopped out. Again, I ended on a trade right here after seeing this. This was a huge candle. I thought it's gonna go up after that. Like, like this 1 minute fair value gap will hold and it's gonna go. I thought it's gonna go up, but yeah, anyways, got stopped out again. Uh yeah, I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about Apex actually. But I'm a little bit sad because I could have just avoided those things. I could have just avoided blowing this account. I could have probably traded the Asian session. I literally did this, put my money on this $1,000 on this account, $1,000 on this trade because it seems legit. It seems a little uh, good, solid entry because, as you can see, we are breaking structure multiple times, multiple bearish value gaps being inversed. And as you can see, again, another inverse on this trade. I was up for a bit and then boom, came back down and I lost it all. Again, going back to my direction, this was my target. This was my actual target. This and this was my target, and both got smashed. But anyways, I just got manipulated. I just got stopped, and then just went my way. Anyways, that's about the trade recap. I just blew an Apex account, but that's not an issue. Um, whatever I'm gonna do, I'm just try and get a payout from lose it and then do the rest. You know. So that's about it. That's about the trade recap. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. If you don't believe in yourself, you can never make it, bro. So delusionally believe in yourself, and then the rest God will take care. And that's about it. That's about the trade recap, and I am out. Adios.